our traditions are gathering together to celebrate the good news of Christmas through our annual Vespers service. And while we can't all gather in person this year, we can still be together in a new and exciting way through a virtual premiere on YouTube. You can watch Vespers with the entire Augustana family on Saturday, December 19th at 7:30 p.m. as we premiere this year's program, Risen with Healing in His Wings. Here's how you can make sure you don't miss this special event. Use the link in the description to go directly to our YouTube premiere watch page. Once you're there, make sure to click that button that looks like an alarm to set a reminder for the premiere. If you haven't already, now is a great time to click the subscribe button. And most of all, please share this page with your family and friends across all your social networks. Remember, you can get these details and more information at augie.edu/Vespers. We're looking forward to seeing you on the 19th. Until then, stay well and God bless.